folks, welcome back to Grand Adventure. I'm your host Mark Guido, and we are in Newport on the central Oregon coast. Come along with us and explore this beautiful area of the Pacific coastline on this episode of Grand Adventure. Stay tuned. So we're in South Beach State Campground, just south of the Newport Bridge. This park is positively massive. It's almost too big. 287 campsites and 27 yurts. The beauty of this place is the access to the beach. A couple of half-mile trails through the woods and across some dunes, and you're on a beautiful, pristine stretch of Pacific coastline. We'll explore this. We'll check out the area and see all the sights that the Newport area has to offer. The Central Oregon coast is famed amongst RVers for its scenic beauty. At 93 feet tall, the Yaquina Head Light is the tallest lighthouse in Oregon. Made in Paris in 1868 and shipped to Oregon, Yaquina Head Light was first lit August 20th, 1873 and automated in 1966. It remains active to this day, guarding ships headed for Newport's Yaquina Bay. It still uses its original 1868 French-made fixed Fresnel lens. The Central Oregon coast features broad beaches, punctuated by steep mountains that plunge right into the sea. U.S. Route 101, also known as the Oregon Coast Highway, follows the Pacific shoreline all the way from the Washington border to the north to the California border to the south, linking together nearly all of Oregon's coastal communities and providing nearly limitless sightseeing opportunities for the traveling RVer. And while the South Beach State Park campground may be huge and busy, it's a short walk from a spectacular broad beach that makes a camp at South Beach a worthwhile stop along the coast, for both humans and their fur kids alike. Home to roughly 10,000 people, Newport is a hub for commercial fishing, with numerous fishing vessels docked in the broad and deep Yaquina Bay. In Newport's historic Bayfront District, fishermen unload their catch at several large processing facilities. In some cases, you can even purchase fresh seafood directly off the boat, but you can also find plenty of folks willing to cook it for you. beauty can be man-made as well as natural, and a pleasant stroll along Newport's waterfront is not only beautiful, but provides a fascinating glimpse into the dangerous and toilsome life of this region's commercial fishermen. Situated on a sea cliff, the Nye Beach Historic District has been a popular vacation spot since the late 19th century. Today, it's home to boutiques, eateries, and sweet shops, which we thoroughly enjoyed exploring for a sunny afternoon. Of course, it's Oregon, so you'll find other kinds of shops too. The south side of Yaquina Bay, near Newport's Pleasure Boat Marina, is home to the world headquarters of Rogue Ales. While Rogue Ales operates brew pubs in Oregon, Washington, and in California, they've been headquartered in Newport since 1989. Craft beer enthusiasts can take a 90-minute tour of the brewery, shop for a t-shirt or hoodie in the brewery's gift shop, or head upstairs to a cozy pub and restaurant to sample Rogue's numerous ales, ciders, sodas, and even whiskeys. So we really enjoyed visiting the Newport area. This is an absolutely gorgeous stretch of the Central Oregon coast. And I know further south of here it's just as beautiful, so we're looking forward to hitting the road tomorrow. The visit to the Rogue Brewery was a lot of fun. Got myself a Dead Guy Ale t-shirt and a growler of fresh beer for the rig. But we don't really know where we're going to end up next. So the only way to find out, make sure that you subscribe today to Grand Adventure. Hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up down below. We'd love to hear from you. So that's what the comment section is for. For your feedback or your questions, we'll do our best to respond to each and every one. And until next time, please remember, life is nothing but a grand adventure. We'll see you soon.